Hi children. Today I will ask you some questions related to alphabets. Okay? Ready? Are you ready? Okay. Which alphabet is a question? Y. Okay. Next, which letter is a lion? Line. Line. Very good. Which letter is a body part? Show it. I. Good. In one letter we have water, fishes, etc. What is that letter? C. Very good. Well, which letter is an indicator of victory? Win. Win ki. Okay. Next, which letter is used to block something? X. Good. Next. Which letter is a bug? Fly. No. What? B. Good. Claps.